You can get paid to design those thumbnails that you see on YouTube that you have to click to watch the video. It's designing high-converting YouTube thumbnails using AI products like MidJourney, Photoshop, and Canva AI. Here's the problem. Most people think that it's just like vibe designing, where you're just like, I'm really good at prompts and I just chat and it creates images. That's not what I'm talking about. So this is how you learn thumbnail design to get paid the big bucks. Number one, you have to analyze dozens of viral thumbnails in your niche. Number two is create a portfolio of thumbnails. Literally collect your favorite thumbnails to build a body of work that you can use as reference material when you're designing your own. Number three is model best performers. Use popular thumbnails that you found and then use that as the base foundation to design new and better ones. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, well, this sounds great, but how do I find customers? Let me teach you. Pick a niche, pick an industry that you personally love, that you would love to create thumbnails for. Build a targeted list of potential buyers. Go to their YouTube channel, run through the whole video catalog, give them suggestions on how you make it better. If you can add some examples of what you would do if you worked with them, add value to their life before you ever ask them for $1. Offer them stuff that might keep you around longer.